Baba, I know, you know which year? I know they out there.
You know,
Oh, where
they
are
can't
they?
do that.
Where No, we are there. This like I no worry. We are there. A lot of Arsenal. And it can't see what happen. Eh? Man, you lose.
Eh,
Chelsea lose. Man, you no go lose.
wow, Crystal Palace, man. So as it is
Thank
now,
God.
now our hand the day now. Make we go do the job now. Make we go. What's the they call am? We need to go St. James's Park. Go there and beat Liverpool. Very, very important. Because, ladies and gentlemen, men are no better, no great tonight. So, welcome to today's show. This is the preview of the match between Newcastle and Arsenal at St. James's Park. So, someone could wait, make them finish this Liverpool game with Crystal Palace. So, Crystal Palace don't beat Liverpool 2-1. So, as it stands now, we get high incentive to go to St. James's Park and make sure we go there and win. Very, very important. For the studio, as you can see, Ogali Brown, 90. Ogali Brown, before we even enter Arsenal match, how you see this Liverpool game, Liverpool Palace?
Yeah, Sachik, how you doing now? And upgunners
Nobody.
in the house and everybody will go to watch us. Sachik, now wait till I like the this. You know, I like him. Now league start. You understand? Liverpool done the jello for all this while. Don't dey jello. So now today reality start. And tomorrow me and dey wait for pundit. I want
I
see
did tell
wetin dem
you.
go talk now. I just wan wait for pundit. E good like this now. Now the game start.
Mm, mm. This say this Crystal Palace, then they like 18 games unbeaten. 18 games. So now Liverpool don't lose. All they are maybe they plan to do in this season. That one don't scatter. Now coming back to our own game, because we don't see Liverpool play now. So we will talk about our own match now. Now, this is our own match now, the way it be now. First of all, how you take see Arsenal Newcastle game? First of all, how you take see the match?
Sachik, Baba, man no lie you. Now this match wey just end now between Crystal Palace and Liverpool, e suppose give the Arsenal player incentive. Forget the coach. You know it's so easy for us to dey blame the coach. E get wetin I dey talk. But the player go wey be say na dem dey collect money pass, na dem dey enter everything pass. This match wey Liverpool just play finish now, wey dem lose, na im be say the 5 point wey dey between Arsenal and Liverpool e still dey stand still. Now na their job because imagine say we dey blame Arteta, we dey blame am. E so easy to blame Arteta truly, but the point be say wetin dey do the player sef. E get wetin I dey talk. Na dis match suppose ginger
Yeah,
dem. Like say make somebody promise you money for Monday, today na Saturday. You go dey look say make time come, make time come, make time come. You get wetin I dey talk statue. Na dis man suppose
yeah,
ginger dem. Yeah, say now Liverpool don lose point wey anybody no believe say dem go lose. Now dem don lose the point. You as an Arsenal player, dat thing suppose ginger you. Say tomorrow we go do wetin we never do for James's Park for a long time. To go there and collect our 3 points. Statue, like you normally say, is either 3 points or 3 points.
Aji, 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 no be lie. As the record this show, many people just dey bombard my phone, just dey call me. Status, we don't status. No be we know. Na Crystal Palace we know. But everybody say status, Asta. My phone just the blast. My phone just the blast. I say, hey, what's dey happen? Now, when you look at the Arsenal game tomorrow, there are some records wey dey here. Many people just bust my phone. They just call me. Just accuse wetin dey happen. So now
Nobody
here,
expect am.
Oga David said don't join us for the studio. So today here we do the preview of the match between Arsenal and Liverpool and Newcastle. But based on what Liverpool and Crystal Palace do now, so they also have to Liverpool Crystal Palace match.
Oga, loud your voice.
And you
So I don't hear
clear.
well.
Say how you take see this Arsenal and Crystal Palace match?
See, you just know my mind. That's why I'm calling you. I want to say do if now even 10 minutes live. Make all of us come rejoice. See what happened to Chelsea. I call you direct. I say let me just call you so that everybody will just come to. This is a winning for Arsenal. Believe you me.
I don't tell everybody just happy, but because nobody Arsenal play, so I don't want to do that. This is what we see now. This one I recorded show. Me and Oga Ali Brown will talk about our match tomorrow. Arsenal versus Newcastle. Based on saying Liverpool don't lose now, how you think say that tomorrow game will be?
Huh?
Okay, David, I said based on say Liverpool don't lose now, how do you think say Arsenal and Newcastle match will be tomorrow?
Arsenal and Newcastle tomorrow is to me. We are winning that game, straight winning. I don't know how many goals. I know we are winning that game. My mind never tell me that we are going to have any injuries. We are winning the game, but my problem is that the number of goals determine the thing. Then Arsenal should score early goal for those people not to play defense. Okay. But if you didn't score early goals, it's going to be tight. It's going to be tight because if they score us first, they're going to block all the ways. So, but if we score them, they will force to come to return the goal. So by them, we open up. So more goal will come in.
All right, okay, Brown. Tomorrow game, if now you Arteta, which formation you will use? Because you know, say everybody they talk about this Arteta game, they talk about the formation, they use Mendy Rice. We know that match would be very interesting for the middle of the park to use physicality, jab house. If now you Arteta, what will be your own preferred lineup for tomorrow? Okay, Brown.
Yeah. Sachu, you know what here? Since we will not go Genesis Park, they use Agbada, you know they work for us. So more try for the first time, more use Slicky appearance for them. You know, what if be that our defensive midfielder that I don't go away from for Arsenal. What if be the name? Does you know? He not work for us. So now more use Slicky. More will put other guy back to him midfield. More put Eze for 11. So we go get bench of Martinelli and Trossard for that win. So for Saka win, we go get Saka. When Saka don't trouble them finish, you understand? If that boy, that's not boy if he come in. But our midfield now, go because I know say Arteta no. But that's why when they play, I don't be talk too much. Arsenal they always they play from midfield. If Arsenal midfield no work, it's all this creativity where everybody they cause us for that because of the midfield no work. That is why now we they look. So many just do the creativity and sneaky. Power know the airport for this park.
All right, okay, you say which formation you say you go prefer because you truly say everybody get different formation we they go to use. So which formation you would like to use against Newcastle?
Vilkore, Saka for front, Zubimendi, Rice, and what other name do you have there? This guy. Make them solidify the back with Saliba. They always forget their name. Magalhaes. That this guy, the guy, they look too fragile sometimes. I'm not gonna lie you. The way they
no, you need to go forward. This strong, but you need to go forward.
So una will be technical people. I mean, I believe we should minutes. Let's put a goal there. If you put a goal there, they could
All
destabilize
right.
whatever they have. Then, and
Now, no be lie,
There's
no be lie.
statue. You see what my big boss talk now. You see what my big boss talk now. You know why it makes sense? See the noise for James. If Arsenal score any goal, that noise go calm down small.
yes, they go
So
calm.
we go feel they go calm. So we go feel face them straight.
Mm, mm. That's true. That's true. Now, apart from that, when you look at the head-to-head over there to this Newcastle, for the last 5 games we don't play there, they beat us 2. They beat us 3. We beat them 2. Now, if you come for their website, say the opening 6 games we don't play this season, we won't play now, we play Newcastle now. Almost say, very, very easy now. Tough games. We don't play. Then part of the statistics, when they conclude, they say the Magpies have won 4 of their last 5 games against us. B. Don't be like so with their wife. Now, see our own record. We have lost only 1 of our last 16 Premier League games. The one we lose now, this one will go Liverpool, there is free kick. Enter us, you get. So for me personally, I think this way this has win now, it will enter and like
You can't go outside. You don't open the door.
our players will watch out. They will see all those things and they will take ginger. Say, we'll go anyhow, any trade. We will take enter this game. Now, I think I mentioned something to score on our last 3 visits to this games. But you know, say the last 3 times we go, they will not score.
Yeah.
Failing to score on our last 3 visits. I expect to approach this context in a slightly different way. Newcastle physical midfield units have consistently used their aggression to break up play against us. Now, if we can miss Bruno Guimaraes and Rotonali and Joe Linton by going over them, which means maybe for this match we fit go long to bypass that their midfield, because that their midfield they get Agbara power too much there. So I like what the talk now. We don't use Agbara since it no work. Maybe we could use flair, we could use a lot of creativity, bombard them.
You start it. You said.
Yeah.
You start. Commit
So
them like you said. Commit them like you said in the morning. Commit them. Commit them. Let them take red card, take yellow, take blue.
Yes.
You know what I noticed from Arsenal player? Majority of our players sometimes our players they do like butter. Bro, you remember Man City Arsenal? What happened from Silva Trossard? Do you know when that ball go throwing? Now Silva first of all throw ball to Trossard.
Yes.
When open block us, why Trossard no fall? Because Silva get yellow. He is supposed to fall.
Exactly.
If fall, where do you get
we do
you understand?
We play to rules. We play to rules too much.
That you go watch that thing way. So when Trossard come throw you home, he need Silva for height. Now he need Silva come for because he want make them give Trossard card.
Yes.
It is called manipulation.
Yes.
What's player? Not the manipulate. Tomorrow you go see manipulation for free now. You know nothing else they do.
We must. My own is that we have to seize this opportunity to reduce that leading point with.
If we win
3 points. Don't please. They need to win tomorrow, Baba. Like Sachi, they talk. Is that win or win? Now win or win?
Win or win? We go win and win. Or what do you normally say?
Either we win or we win.
We have to reduce that point to 2. So when we reduce it to 2, the next matches they are going on top, like you said. Now they are going uphill. Now we are coming downhill a little bit on paper, but maybe we go see another miracle like this in coming matches. Chelsea lose their match, right?
Chelsea lose.
Chelsea lost. Man, you lost. Madrid, Sachi Madrid have lost. And somebody
I'm
see
very
I'm go say,
never
yeah, somebody say I say I think my Madrid go beat them.
Today na giant killer. Today the spirit na giant killer.
Oga Agbola said don't join us for the studio. Oga Agbola, NCFTC, first off, we talk about Liverpool Crystal Palace before we now talk about Arsenal Newcastle tomorrow. How do they see that Liverpool Crystal Palace?
It's not CHUKS. I'm over happy now. Honestly. See, honestly, when I saw 1-1, I was like, well, it's not bad, but better Crystal Palace should win. But when I see that 2 goals, if you see I celebrated, I'm very, very happy. In fact, the result is a good one for us. This is an opportunity for us. Ateta, please do the right thing. Do the right thing tomorrow.
God bless you, my brother. God bless you. Now the truth of it, God bless you.
Ateta should do the right thing tomorrow.
All right, now tomorrow match. Tomorrow match. I didn't say I'm not.
See, game Ateta sacrificing creativity for strength. But tomorrow's game, Ateta should approach it in another way. We need creativity tomorrow. We need to come out. Whatever is going to happen, let us blame ourselves that we are the one that Ateta should create to 1 point. We need to take full advantage of this Liverpool's result today. We need to go all out tomorrow. Whatever is going to happen, this time around, we have a good squad. We don't need to be coming back for anything. We have a very good squad. We need to come out and win tomorrow. Nothing. It's either a win or a win, like he normally says. Tomorrow's game, there is no draw. We have to win the game. That's it.
All right, okay, I want to go with your prediction before we go.
I go predict 2 Arsenal. 2-1 to Arsenal.
2-1.
Yeah.
Okay, your
it's prediction. If we score early, I'll see 3-1. But if we don't score early, I will see 2-0.
Okay, Bola, you got your prediction.
2-0 CHUKS. I don't see them scoring us tomorrow. Coupled with the fact that we have the best event in the league. So I don't see them scoring.
Our man just put hand for paper. Say it's either we win with us or we lose together. Saliba, exactly. God bless that man.
We carry full squad. Me, I see like 2-0 also. 2-0 not supposed bad. I don't say go hard though. Go easy.
You go hard.
It is possible.
With this one now, with this one, these people just did now. Newcastle still want to do the same thing.
Exactly.
So yeah, they want to do, but they will fail. They have failed.
Baba, you know what I know they like, especially from Arsenal fans. I'm not talking about the oppositional fans or all these pundits. You remember when you do Arsenal Forces game before the league starts? You remember? Then they calculate how many points Arsenal go get from 6 points. Nobody give Arsenal 10 points too. Nobody, because they say we go lose Man U. Then at the fourth, it's actually now waiting that they talk. I won't pick your brain. Maybe they remember. Yeah. They say we go lose Man U because we dey go away from Man U and our first game of the season. They say we go win Leeds. They say we go lose Liverpool. They say we go lose Man City because Man City they come our home and we don't beat them. So Man City is better than us. Now they say we go lose Newcastle. So if I calculate everything together for tomorrow, people they expect say the least way we fit get now 5 points. You get what they talk. Now people are forgetting one thing. All the game where we play, the only game where is simple for us now league. The summer where people they play Manchester for. Now Man City come our home, the rest now away. Man U away, Liverpool away, tomorrow Newcastle away. Tell me which team don't do that this season. But because nobody. So make everybody calm down. It's too early.
Me, I even have one thing in mind. You see, Man City, when we go to Man City home, they will not beat us. We will beat them, or we
Those are the scared of us already. Those are they are picking now.
This Liverpool, if Liverpool come back to Emirates, go and write it down. We will beat them.
Anyway, when that time reach, we go know whether we'll get full squad. Because my happiness for this Newcastle match now, full squad don't we get full squad.
Yeah, not so.
Sachuks, you know what I want to say, Sachuks? See, the reason why people are blaming Arteta should try and avoid it tomorrow. See, if Arteta put in the right squad tomorrow and we lose, it is understandable. It's not his fault. You know, there are situations whereby.
But I know losing not going to. You don't know if I not going to. Arsenal lose. If I say somebody die,
if Arteta know that if he put what we say on that thing that we will lose, he should not put. He should do whatever that will make us to win.
No, what I'm saying is this: tomorrow, if Arteta put out a squad that will put out against Liverpool, against Manchester United, against Man City, if he put it out tomorrow and we lose, what will happen?
There will be problem now.
There will be problem. I know what I'm saying, but if Arteta put on the squad that people want,
yes,
Arteta don't want to lose now.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm sorry, Nate. I tell you one thing. Since the history of Premier League, now only one coach don't substitute for first half. Only, but I go Google wait at the talk. When we say first half start, he substitute. And now only Morio. I think say na Morio. Say na Morio who?
No, Black and slots do this season.
Say na slot. What is it? No, like no injury. Like no injury. Just so much in the
place. Robertson.
And you know why? Bros, you know why people no want talk? Because nobody saw waiting Man City play against Arsenal in that match. Nobody saw it coming. Even Arteta no expect am.
Normal.
So for him to even retract to that game, it's difficult now. Imagine saying you just say Man City they play defensive. I talk them for life now. I say wait till I see. I say 4-5-1.
Fans know they look and the way they look and the results the day after. Exactly. They know the other way they talk. Say Arteta do mistake, don't correct a mistake. Nobody cares. It's the results. You see this match against Newcastle, Arteta puts the right lineup. If we lose, then the excuse where they go won't give now, they say Arteta make late substitution. Now they always
exactly.
Make late substitution. They always hand. Exactly. And at the end, you go come bring my defense say hold the players accountable.
Accountable. That is what I'm saying.
Exactly. But always know something that whatever Arsenal did, either we do it right, or either we do it right or we do it wrong, they must complain. Victor, going to be this guy named Benjamin Sesko to Man U. They say in agent saying for special project. Now, don't be special project in there for Man U, so.
He's got today now. He's got the only goal now.
That man you project, you know go finish him before he retire, unless if he go another club. You know go because to bring Man U back to first four, he go no.
That is I was talking to a United fan this afternoon. We are not talking about Sesko that see this guy, if he has chosen to plan, who knows, it might have been better. You understand?
Yeah.
Because pressure is no more, the pressure will not be this much. You understand? And Newcastle, if you don't score, the eyes will not be too much on you because Newcastle. Yes. Exactly. But coming to Manchester United, a lot is expected because number one, the team is not doing well, so they expect a lot of things.
And they will never do well. And they will never do well.
So, Sancho, you see what's happened between Crystal Palace and Liverpool today. If I be player wey dey that dressing room tonight, we go tell ourselves say forget coach. Bro, you know as we dey grow sleep level now, forget coach. Tomorrow we do go there to win now. Players suppose ginger.
Exactly.
Players suppose.
You're right, brother. You're right. Because make he give himself 2 goals at least. Say, for this match, I give myself 2 goals. I don't know how it's going to come, but I need to score 2 goals. Make Saka strength. Everybody commit themselves to win this game.
Arteta should just please. He should do this for us. He should please just play the right selection. Please, tomorrow I don't want to see Merino in the starting lineup tomorrow. Please, Arteta, I'm begging you.
Player, bro. Merino na good player.
Merino na good player.
All right. Okay, Brown,
I don't have any.
what are your final thoughts? Before what's your final
my final thought be say, like my brother here say, make Arteta come with the right selection. If Odegaard is available, may use Odegaard for 10. If he's not available, may use Eze for 10. You understand? May put Merino for bench. Then make the players God know say this is Premier League. Say this is na power. Now blow with the score. You get what they talk. May everybody go out and may we win that game. And may we get grace.
Yes. All right. Okay, David, what's your final thoughts before we go?
My final thought is going to Arsenal fans. Make they accept some time that Arteta want to protect his job. He want to win more than we want to win. But make God guide us. Make we win the tomorrow match. Then make he give us the right thing we want. And then, like, I believe we'll win. I just have that belief. I'm taking it straight winning, not mego winning.
Is that win or win? No, that's actually the talk. Is that
win? Straight winning.
Is that win or win? No, that's actually the win or win.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Okay, Bola, what are your final thoughts?
My final thoughts still boils back to what I've been saying earlier. Tomorrow, Arteta, please come with the right setup. And to the players, please don't let the coach down. You understand? Because the coach can put in the right selection. The most important is you giving your own 100% in tomorrow's game. Remember that if you win tomorrow's game, you are just 2 points behind Liverpool. So that should be like exactly. It should be a motivating factor for the players as well. So that every time we'll not be talking about the coach. In as much as I hope that Arteta will bring out the right selection tomorrow, players, please do your best tomorrow. Be at your best and win the game for the fans, please. Thank you, Sachi.
All right, my dear Arsenal lovers, this is the Newcastle versus Arsenal match preview. We will talk about tomorrow. We don't talk about our preferred formation. So tomorrow, when Arteta drop the formation, we will see whether the things so we'll talk. Arteta do. Arteta go contrary to waiting everybody they ask for. So we'll see that. So special thanks to our panelists, Ogali Brown, Oga David, and Oga Bola. So thanks for joining. All right, guys.